dancing underneath the endless sky. All the colors they collide in a tapestry of moving light. Wonder, never know what it
Hindi pa naliligaw si Bennett. Nakakausap-usap ko na siya. And parang nagka-chat na kami, ganyan. Pero hindi pa siya umaamin. Until parang natatagalan na ako. Natatagalan na ako. Lord, kung hindi talaga si Bennett, patigilin mo na. Alisin mo na lang.
Maritus meus in aeternum. It's a Roman way to say my husband forever.
take in. It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. Every sunset, every sunrise,
And
every new breath, every goodbye, all the mountains, the adventures, every moment to remember, every sunset, every sunrise.
Bakit si Roma? Kasi siya si Roma. Siya yung binigay sa akin ni God. Siya yung nagbago ng buhay ko. Binigyan niyang kulay yung mundo ko. Kaya siya na talaga yun. Sure na sure na. 100%. 1,000%.
It's a beautiful every sunset, every sunrise, every new breath, every goodbye, all the
yung dating Roma is mainit ng ulo. Laging galit. Then until dumating si Bennett na we have plans na nilulook forward namin in the future.
I think I want you more than want. I know I need you more than need.
It's your day, and to your bride, sana magsama kayong magtagal.
For sure. Umiyak si mama. Huwag umiyak.
I think you know me more than know, and you see me more than see. I could die now more than die.
Hindi laging masaya yung 6 years namin. May downs din kami. No? Pero all throughout, talagang kinaya namin siya sa loob na 6 years.
Nag-develop din kami ng dynamics as travel buddies na ako yung gagawa ng itineraries and then siya yung mag-lead sa amin pagka doon na. I mean, nandun na kami sa lugar.
Tonight, no, I've never seen anything quite like you. When it's right, it's more than right. 'Cause you
I
feel
vow to be your wife who will cherish you, care for you, be proud of you, support you, and love you unconditionally in good days and in bad, while fully trusting you to lead us, execute our plans. I am so excited to start this life together and to grow with you. The day I choose you with all my heart and keep choosing you every day of my life. I love you, Bennett.
no, no, I've never seen anything quite like you tonight. Oh, no, no, I've never seen anything quite like you tonight.
Pangako ko sa iyo na lagi kitang alagaan katulad ng pag-aalaga sa'yo ng mama mo. Palagi kitang poprotektahan at tandaan mo na lagi mo akong kakampi. At sa bawat pagod na daraan, ikaw ang aking pahinga, lagi mo yan tatandaan. At sa dulo ng paglalakbay, ikaw pa rin ang uuwian kong ligaya. Ikaw ang mamahalin ko sa habang buhay, mahal na mahal kita araw malibo lang.
Well, I've seen you in jeans with no makeup on, and I've stood there and all, 'cause you're a date for the prom. I'm blessed as a man to have seen you in white, but I've never seen anything